Hello everyone, my name is Chef Yang-San Lee. This week we're celebrating 2020 Korean Temple Cuisine Week. So today I'm going to show you some dishes that you could serve as a main dish. It's a very hearty soup. The recipe I got from the chef is based on summer recipe. So I couldn't find the squash leaves, but it's perfectly fine to sub with spinach and other greens. I'm going to use the spinach today, but first you're going to make a little dough to make the hand pinched noodle. Okay, so this is hand pinched noodle soup. In Korean we say Sujebi. Okay, so we're gonna make Sujebi dough. We need the AP flour, some water. This water is the kombu water, which is I was sipping the kombu in hot water for about 30 minutes. This is a perillesi oil. Okay, so this is for the, and little salt, just a little salt. Okay, this is the ingredient for the dough. So I have a mixing bowl right here. First, I'm gonna put flour. We need about 2 cups of flour. 1 cup. There you go. 2 cups. And it says about 1 teaspoon of a perillesi oil. It's about this much. Half cup of water. So in here, I'm gonna make a little well in the middle using chopstick. Okay, I'm gonna just mix it around. And then I'm gonna place the half cup of water, or in this case, kombu water, right in there, just like so. Then before you put all your hand in there, then it's gonna get very messy. So I like to use a chopstick to just swirl them around, just like so. Okay, until I don't see literally visual liquid. Okay, so I don't see any puddles of a liquid. So now it's the time to use my hand. Right here, it contains a lot of moisture. Okay, so you could slowly knead them. Okay, I'm gonna put a little salt in there before I forget, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna transfer to the table, and then I'm gonna give it a nice knead. Okay. I guess this is the biggest difference between pasta dough and the noodle dough, and smooth outside. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna place back into the bowl. I'm gonna put a little bit of perillesi oil. It won't get dry. I have a towel right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna cover just like so. You need to rest about good 20 minutes on side. I'll see you in 20 minutes. Hi guys, so our dough has been resting about 20 minutes. So it looks like this, very soft and a little bouncy right now. It's really good. So right here, I have a pot about to boil. This is the mushroom stems and then kombu. So I boil the mushroom stems, and then after I boil them, I just sip the dry kelp in there for like 20-30 minutes. Okay, so that's my vegetable stock. So I'm gonna show you what ingredients we need and then how to prep them, okay? As I was telling you, this was based on summer recipe, which is, it calls the squash leaves, okay? Squash leaves, you could get it in summertime in any Korean supermarkets, or if you grow your own squash, you could just pick them, okay? So, but today I'm gonna use a spinach, okay? These are the bunch spinach. As you can see, they're not baby spinach, okay? This is much better texture than baby spinach. Korean hot chili, okay, known as a Korean serrano pepper. It's really close to serrano pepper. Here is a squash. If you cannot find any squash, then you could use a zucchini, that's fine. I have a potato right here. I already peeled it and resting in the water. I'm gonna need some soy sauce to season. This is the doenjang, which is a Korean fermented bean paste, okay? Cut the very end, okay, just like so, just a little bit to get the little dirty part out, okay? So I'm gonna show you. This is the Asian way to cut little diagonal, just like so. About little. And then you could stack them up together, cut it into like a French fry size, just like so. Potato, slice them first. French fry size. Place them back to the water. So I'm going to show you how to cut the tip. I'm going to cut the little tip again. I'm going to split them in half. And then I'm going to remove the seed, the bank of a spicy right here, okay? Get all the seeds out. Cut it into long strip. And then you're gonna cut it in dices, just like so. Chili is ready. Boiling, boiling, boiling. Seasoning, okay. We have the bean paste, like 2 tablespoons. Place the amount of paste that I need. Stock of water, just like so. So in this way, it dilutes into the water or stock much better. Place into the soup. Gonna start boiling again. Okay, now it's time to put the potato, just like so. Spinach this time. Okay, put the squash leaf in there, just like so. And meantime, I'm gonna get my dough ready. Here's my dough. You need water to wet your hand, otherwise the dough is gonna stick to your hand really a lot. So dough's elastic, as you can see, stretchy. It's boiling, so it's a time to do it. Get like a little bit of dough, just like so. Squeeze it through it, okay, just like, and try to make it flat. It's okay if it tears, okay? And then just like so, you put it into the soup. Okay, so I got all the noodles in there. Slightly bring to the boil again. This soup is almost done. Make sure they boil good for at least one minute, okay? To make sure your noodles fully cooked, okay? So this is the time to put the squash. Squash gets cooked really fast, so that's why you want to put it at the end, just like so. Cut chili in there now, just like so. You should season with soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon-ish. Okay, I just gotta bring to boil, and our soup is done. The table, this is called tukbegi, which is a clay pot, traditional clay pot. Oh, now you could smell the sweetness from the squash and then a little spiciness from the chili. Very good smells of a soy sauce and the bean paste. So this is done. Now I'm gonna plate them. So here, put the little serving. Of course, kimchi. Okay, I think this doesn't need a lot of side dish, just really nice kimchi, maybe some sour kimchi will work really nicely, okay? You could share with your family, friend. This is really nice soup. Voila! So I hope you enjoy the cooking and I hope you enjoy the food as well. Thank you very much, guys.